Okay, so I'm gonna pour some vegetable, extra virgin olive oil in here. Garlic. So in here are pork and shiitake mushroom that I marinated overnight with salt and pepper, and I'm going to actually cook it in this frying pan. Okay, as you can see, the meat is almost cooked. So tonight I will be making banh, which is a Vietnamese thick noodles. It's a Vietnamese thick dry noodle. So tonight I'm making Vietnamese rice sheet noodles. It's called banh, and it's a dry noodle. I'm gonna put these brine pork and eat it with the noodles. You just need to learn how to make the sauce, and basically you can eat it with other ingredients and stuff like that, but it's very good, it's healthy, and it's very filling, especially if you eat a lot of like meat. You can use grind chicken, grind turkey, this is grind pork, but you can use other grind meat instead of grind pork, and it still tastes similar. I just happened to see a bunch of grind pork that were like under $5 a pound, so I went and bought some. But definitely you can use grind chicken, grind turkey, grind beef, other grind meat if you want. You don't have to specifically use pork, but pork was cheap when I marinated with less than half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, so over here I have my noodle here, and I'm going to go ahead and cut my noodle in 2 inches diameter. So basically divide the block of noodles into 3. 1, 2, 3. Stack them. And then this. I'm using 2. And you can definitely buy this at the Asian store. The one thing is that it's made in San Francisco. So it's made in the US at least. So over here I have the mum green, the chrysanthemum green in the pan being stir-fried. I'm going to use a little bit of soy sauce. I'm going to prepare the sauce for my noodle. In here is garlic. I am going to use this soup spoon to measure my ingredient. Basically, I'm going to use 1 soup spoon of fish sauce. And then I'm going to use 4 soup spoons. So 4 soup spoons of water. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna use 1 soup spoon of lemon water. And 1 soup spoon of sugar.
This is really good. Want to try some? No? This is good.
going to separate the noodles, and I'm gonna show you how I prepare the plates. So as you can see, the noodle is like layer and it's in blocks. And it's kind of hot, so you don't want to burn yourself, so you have to be careful. So there will be bean sprout. The bean sprout is very crunchy, so it's good. And I'm gonna put this in the microwave because I want to see how it's still hard. I want the noodles to be super soft, so I'm gonna put it in the microwave again for a minute. And I also want to cook the bean sprout too as well. So as you put the noodle into the microwave, it's completely, just for 1 minute, it's completely like smushy. So it's very good. And I'm gonna put lettuce in here. So it's lettuce.
You want to try some rice, Daniel? Try rice.
And
Sticky rice.
this one is basil. So we have basil, lettuce, bean sprout, and white noodle. And now we're gonna put in the meat on top. Gonna use put the sauce on top, and that's it. We can serve it. And the most ingredient to this dish is yobi, which is a pork meatloaf with pork skin added. It's a Vietnamese, it's made in the US, but it's Vietnamese yobi. So it's like a meatloaf, but the Vietnamese style meatloaf. So it should look like this once it's done, and you just need to put in That's how it should look.